911, what's the address of the emergency?
My husband's not breathing. He's cold.
Okay, what's the address?
Plunder, True Crime Audio.
Willow Court.
Low court?
Uh-huh.
Okay, what's a good phone number in case we get disconnected?
Plunder, True Crime Audio.
Okay, it's gonna be in Francis.
Uh-huh.
Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
I don't know. I just came in. I was sleeping with my kids.
Okay, I can't understand you. I need you to take a deep breath. What's going on?
I don't know. I was sleeping in with my kids. I just came in our bed, and I turned over, and he's just cold. He's just cold.
Who's cold?
My husband, I turned the light on.
And he's not breathing?
No,
He's not breathing?
no,
I need you to confirm it for me. Is he not breathing?
no.
Okay, can you do CPR?
No, I don't know how.
You don't know. I'm gonna tell you how to. Are you willing to do CPR?
Yeah.
Okay.